me? You record me.
You're recording me? Wait, are you recording me?
Mm-hmm.
I want to see if I can do it. What's that? Ugh.
It's like in my teeth.
There's some Oreos stuck in my teeth. See? Ew.
Now you're being recorded.
I'm not. Am I?
Yes. Now you do me.
Okay. Ew, no.
Shut up.
Let's not get too much this time. Okay.
I'm like snorting right now.
Yeah. Click it.
Okay. You do it again?
Yeah.
You or me?
I gotta mix it up. Smells really good.
That was tight.
Are you still recording?
Yes.
My ghetto speak. Okay, that's enough. I don't really care. I wonder if it works with water.
1 sec.
Ah!
Probably it's gonna stick to your hand.
It is.
That didn't work.
Kinda dried me. Ow, it gotta pop my fingers. It didn't show it's small. You said it would. Quit recording me. Are you still recording me?
Yes, I zoomed in on your head.
What? Don't record the back. My hair's messed up.
This again.
What?
I'll take it.
Oh.
Let's do this the right way.
Sure. Oh, well that was. Because they didn't get it. Ew. Look at my hand. I'm even wider. Boom. That's how you do it. Oh, baby. How long are we gonna do this?
I don't know. We could
Did I
do-
think of it?
Yes.
I'm stupid. It came out both sides.
Up in your mouth, up in your mouth.
Ew. What are you doing?
Wow, that was
Tight. My thumb hurts.
burn it, burn it,
Clean
burn
it.
it, burn it, burn it, burn it.
What if I licked it?
Ew! Let me see your tongue.
Oh. Nobody wants to come kiss me now. I'll do this. What the heck?
I don't know what
Now it's not fun anymore.
Yeah, I want to do it one more time.
Ew.
I want to put my hands in there again.
Are you gonna put your hand? You said pop. See?
I'm gonna do it.
This video is like forever. Oh! Oh my gosh.
Okay. You can get your hand in there.
Oh my gosh, look at the mirror. That was hilarious.
Hello, Bucky.
Look at your phone.